Now let me introduce to you how to find the equation of a tangent line at a given point for a given function. So here we have y equals x squared plus 1, and let's say that I want to find the equation of the tangent line that passes through the point 1, 2, this point right here. Okay, so what is the tangent line? Well, it's going to be a line that hits the line y equals x squared plus 1 only at one point, that very point right there. So it's going to have the exact same slope as this line does, as this function does at the point 1, 2. Did I say 1, 2 before? I think I said 2, 1. Well, anyways, it's point 1, 2. And how can we do this? I'll just dive right into this example. The first thing we're going to need to do is find the derivative of the function that we have, which is y equals x squared plus 1 in this case, of course. So let me take the derivative of that. Y equals x squared plus 1. What is y prime? Well, according to the power rule, I can just bring the exponent down and subtract 1 from it. So y prime is going to be 2x to the power of 1. I won't even really write the 1 there, though. And the derivative of this constant, which is plus 1, will be just 0. So I won't write anything there. Okay, but so this is just the derivative of this function. But how can I determine the the slope of the tangent line at 1, 2? Well, x is 1 at this point, right? So I can just plug in that 1 right here for x. So y prime is going to be 2 times 1. So the derivative at point 1, 2 is just 2. Great. So now, how can I find out what the actual tangent line is? That's going to be quite simple. And what we're going to need to do is, well, first remember y equals mx plus b, right? That's just the equation of any line with a slope of m and a y-intercept of b. Okay? So right here, we know that m is already 2. We can just plug in this 2 right here because that's the slope. So y equals 2x plus b. And we also know that the line passes through the point 1, 2. So I can plug in these coordinates for x and y to find b. So let's do that then. X is 1 and y is 2. So y is 2 and x is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus b. Now I can subtract 2 from both sides and b equals 0. Great. So guess what? We already know the equation of the line, of the tangent line that passes through the point 1, 2. It is y equals 2 x plus b, which is 0. So I won't even write it because it'll be a plus 0 here. And what would that tangent line look like? Well, it has a slope of 2, right? And a y-intercept of 0. So it looks something like this. Let me just connect the dots. Make a nice straight line there. And note that it's just going to hit the y equals x squared plus 1 line just right here at this point 1, 2. So that's y equals 2x. So what I would suggest you do is that you scroll down, you click on the questions to watch the videos that are explaining them, and actually try some of the questions on your own. Good luck.